Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Tips 24/7. I don't know what you have been passing through. Maybe you have been looking for a way to build mobile app. If it is a restaurant mobile app, e-commerce mobile app, and submit it on Google Play Store or App Store. Or you want to convert your website to mobile app without coding. This website will allow you to do that. You don't need to know how to code. Imagine your business reaching customers everywhere right from their smartphones. No complicated coding, no tech headaches, just an easy way to transform your website into a powerful mobile app. That is exactly what Appmysite does for you. This Appmysite now we do a magic for you. You don't need to spend thousands of bucks looking for a app developer to develop your convert your website to mobile app or build mobile app for you. You don't need to code. The template is already there for you. All you need to do is drag and drop. You drag and drop, and no coding or controls. Coding is not everyone's thing. So it has a seamless integration. Already have a website, perfect. Appmysite connects directly with your existing site, no matter the platform, to mirror your content effortlessly into a sleek mobile app. It has also a stunning customizable designs, so and very good looking. Users can appreciate and find it is very easier to navigate. It is fast, affordable, and launch ready. Get an app on Google Play and the App Store in record time without breaking the bank. So like I said, I'll be leaving the link on the description of this video. If you don't want to research about it and go to Appmysite, I will leave the link on the description of my video here, where you can register for free and start developing app. You can start free, develop app. So let's explore this site. Let me show you the features of this site and what you can use this website to do. See, if you go to the products now, you can see you can convert your any WordPress website into a native iOS, that is this App Store, and Android mobile app, that is the one you can submit on Play Store. You can also convert any WooCommerce store into a native iOS and Android mobile app. You can also convert any website into a native iOS and Android mobile app via web views. You can also create a native and powerful mobile app without a website. So this is the app features, and I will show you the app feature. Let me go to the industries, what you can use this website to do. See, do you know that you can create restaurant app, launch a stellar app for your restaurant and grow your business? You can also create e-commerce store. You can create your own e-commerce app and make shopping easier. You can create a grocery store, build a grocery app and deliver essentials to your customers. You can create a convenience store, build a convenience store app and sell to your customers directly. You can also do pharmacy, create a pharmacy app and make medicine delivery effortless. You can create a clothing store. You can create a real estate app. You can create educational app. There are many, so these are the one you can do. Restaurant app. You can create clinic app. You can create car rental app. You can create grocery store app where you can say grocery online. You can create e-commerce store app. You can create a real estate app. Like I said earlier, you can create furniture store app. You can create a convenience store app. Create a premium app for your supermarket or convenience store with Appmysite, built instantly without coding and launch on Google Play Store and Apple App Store to connect with your customers. You can build a cafe app, develop a cafe app in minutes without writing any code. So you can build all this kind of app. There are many. You can build a bookstore app. You can build a clothing store app. You can build a mobile store app. Like all this kind of where users can come and download app. You can create app for your mobile store without coding. Build Android and iOS app and go live on Google Play and the App Store too. Enable customers to seamlessly browse and order smartphones and other electronics. This is where if you are selling phones, you can also build mobile app store where your users and your customers can order any type of phone they want to buy from you. Then you ship them to them. So it's so easy. Bakery app. You can build education app. You can build pet store app. You can build a florist app. You can build a jewelry app. You can build a pharmacy app. You can build a music streaming app. You can build a food delivery app, social networking app, dating app, fitness app, video conferencing app, salon app, daily deal app, taxi booking app, travel app, healthcare app, itinerary app, weather app, event app, church app, directory app, business app, news app, video streaming app, liquid delivery app. A lot of apps that are not shown here you can build with this website. So this website has a lot of features. You can go and start building your app. It has even customizable one you can use to build app. You don't need to hire a developer nowadays. It has a way template you can use to do it. So the app features, what you can add to your, these are the push. It has push notification. It has also chat. It has smart cart. The smart cart means that person can, your app, if it is a WooCommerce app you build, any app that has a cart, the users can add something to. Once you see that thing on your website, the items the person wants to buy from you, the person can easily add it to cart. So you can monetize your app. It has the features of app monetization. You see it, app monetization here. So it has a country selection. See how the thing is. It also has a beautiful app icon and splash screen. So if you are looking for a way to build mobile app so easy, don't need to know how to code. The template is already there for you. All you need to do, just go to this place, you click on start for free. Click on start and create account. You just come here and you can create an account with your Gmail account, your Gmail, or you can create an account with any email you have, provided your email is going. You sign up here, you put your full name, your email address, your password. The password you'll be able to remember. Then click I'm not a robot, then click on create account. So that's it. Let me show you the agency. This agent is a white label Appmysite for your agency. Discover Appmysite agency white label, and an exclusive solution tailored to meet the unique requirements of your agencies. This product allows you to extend your services and grow revenue streams by personalizing Appmysite's app building platform with your branding. Now, this agency, they are going to give you this is an avenue where you can have your own company, like app developing company. People will come to your website once you register under agency. You will have a company as a reseller. Users will come under you and create mobile app. This is what this agency is working. You will be able to sell the platform for yourself on your name. You have your own name you registered. Once you registered, maybe your name will be Cisco or Dot or Go or Com. If your name is Com, then you register as Com as your name, branding name. Then person can come to you, to your website, and create app. People will come to your website and create app. So your website will be an avenue where some people will come to create app. So that is how this agency works. So experience full white label capabilities. Our agency solution empowers you to host our platform on your domain, maintain a full white label identity, and serve an unlimited number of customers. Dive into a world of limitless possibilities and growth. So white label, you are not going to be making use of Appmysite. You will be making use of your own your own brand name. So he said you're going to host your domain, host our app building platform directly on your domain with our agency solution, seamlessly integrating app development into your services. So you will be able to host their own Apple creation on your own website, so that people can come under you and create app and submit it on Google Play Store and App Store. So you'll be able to showcase your own brand, incorporate your brand name and logo throughout our app building platform, plugins and automated emails to establish a unified and professional image for your business. Manage unlimited customers. You'll be able to manage an unlimited customers, efficiently onboard customers for seamless operations, empowering your client to expand without constraints and boost your revenue potentials. So this, you need to go and read about this. If in case you need to register on this Appmysite, I'm going to leave a link on the description of this video. Yes, I'm going to leave a link there you can use to register on this website. So website, it has a lot of features. Like I showed you, you're going to develop all kinds of app. You don't need to spend thousands of dollars looking for an app developer. This website has made it easier for you to do it. Okay, let me show you the pricing. They have the 3 different plans. Yes, these 3 different plans. They pay per app, they have monthly plan, they have yearly, and they have lifetime. We are on yearly now. You see, you can start creating your app free. Let's view the features of free plan. For this free plan, you will be able to create one app, convert any website to app. Your app will have in-app browser. It will be customizable. Real device testing. It will have a notification. It will also have a monetization features and also team collaboration, all in this free version. So I just bet you to go and create one app on this Appmysite. and try to explore the features of this Appmysite. Are you getting me? So if you really want to remove the brand name of Appmysite on your app, once you get this your app developed, you can choose a starter by paying $49 per month. You pay it at once in a year, or you can as well choose monthly as your payment plan. You get me? You can choose pro plan or premium plan. So as well, you can check the monthly. If you choose to pay monthly, fine. If you choose to pay for pro, fine. Then you can as well choose lifetime. If you want to choose lifetime, we also have under free, we have starter. Lifetime means if you want to choose to create one app and pay the money for lifetime, once you pay, you don't need to pay any other money again. Your app will be for you. So this is the pro and this is the premium. So let's check the other plan. Let's go for unlimited workspace. For unlimited workspace, we are on a yearly plan. Manage unlimited apps and collaborate with team members or with a single subscription. So you'll be able to manage unlimited app. With this, you'll be able to create more than one app. That is what they are telling you. So for yearly, you are going to be paying $799 per month. Just if you calculate it times 12 months, that is what they are telling you. So if you choose to pay per month, this is what you will pay: $999 per month. That's the agency white label. The white label, we are on yearly plan. What is included? Get access to unlimited customers, apps, and team members. This is what you are going to get on this white label. And the yearly plan you are going to be paying is $799 times 12, because this $799 is per month. So times it by 12, we get the actual amount. So if you choose to pay every month they bill you $999 per month. So do not be discouraged. If you are planning to have an app, you can just start now creating app like music app, video streaming app, and explore the features. You just start with the free version one, like the free plan, and explore. If you explore it, you're able to submit your app on Google Play Store and Apple Store. Then you still certify you. Then you can go on and do what? Pay for the starter, which is for the one app first. You can even pay for the $49 as a starter. Then start there and start making revenue as others are making revenue from their app. So if you want to choose to develop app, calling for developer now, you will spend excess money. You spend a lot of money developing app, and this one is customizable, that you will see what you are doing and choose what you want to do. If you don't like the feature, if you don't like the layout, if you don't like anything, you'll be able to customize it to your taste. So that is about this Appmysite. So that's all. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you click on the subscription icon and also on the bell icon to get more updates from Tech Tips 24/7.